Let's investigate. There are many unsolved mysteries. To see the mysteries of the unknown. Let's go! But first, the intro. Mystery number 3. Antimatter, the evil twins. Imagine yourself in opposite land. Black is white, up is down, and matter is antimatter. It sounds crazy, but the subatomic particles that make up everything around us, electrons, protons, neutrons, all have evil twins. Antimatter particles are the same mass as normal particles, but the opposite electric charge. And because of this, antimatter wipes out normal matter on contact. Poof! Both are destroyed an instant. So, antimatter has the potential to destroy us and everything we love. But fear not, there's very little antimatter roaming around in the cosmos. What's more, antimatter could even prove useful when antimatter and matter meet and destroy one another. It releases energy. In a PET scanner, anti-electrons are created in their annihilation. The body allowed doctors to create sophisticated images. What's more, scientists hope to one day use the energy released by antimatter and matter interactions to power spacecraft. So perhaps antimatter isn't quite so evil after all. Well, it can be very dangerous. Mystery number 2. Dark energy, the poltergeist. So if dark matter makes up 25% of the universe and the normal matter makes up 5%, what about the other 70%? We think that the remainder is entirely dark energy, powerful enough to tear entire galaxies. Dark matter appears to mesh galaxies together. Dark energy seems to want to push them apart. We all know that the universe is expanding, but it's expanding more quickly than it should be. Scientists think that the dark energy is the culprit. But where is the dark energy? Some believe that it's produced by the collisions between quantum particles, but no one knows for sure. Now before moving forward, be sure to like, share and subscribe and ring the bell icon for our latest videos. Mystery number 1. The Big Crunch, the end of the world as we know it. All good things must come to an end, even the universe itself. But how, you ask? Well, there are lots of mind-blowing ideas out there. In the past, the delicious name Big Crunch suggested a scenario in which the universe's expansion, which has been going on since the Big Bang, tapers off and instead gives away to the force of gravity. As a result, everything, planets, galaxies, clusters, is drawn together into a single dense point of mass until everything is wiped out. Don't get too worried though, this is all many billions of years away. These days, the Big Crunch is by no means the only theory out there concerning our inevitable demise. Other ideas include the Big Freeze, the Big Bounce, and the Big Rip. So, rest assured, even if we don't know when the universe ends, we know it's going to be a pretty big event. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and contemplated the universe and our place in it. From the dawn of time, we always wanted to explore and make sense of the world, and yet, so many mysteries still remain. But amid all the ingrained uncertainties, one thing is sure, the universe is so much stranger and more complex than we could have ever imagined. Well, see how many mysteries are there in the universe. you like this video, these are some other clips from Why Answer to Everything.